Guys, we're on to the Dino Thunder collection. So, Dino Thunder Red, Kano Midnight, off the part chart tail, the coolest toy ever, man. The head sculpt is good, man. The battle is good, but yeah. Anyways, Ultimate Collection Videos 2000 is here. The Ultimate Weapons on the show here. So, it's a Lightning Collection, Dino Thunder toy, Kano Midnight. Look at that. Yeah, man. I think it's very cool. I think you could buy this at the Lightning Collection 265321. It's such a nice toy. I love everything about this toy. It's great, man. It's awesome. It's Hasbro. Too much money, but whatever, man. Anyways, the sword is beautiful. The toy is awesome, man. Really, I love this toy. It's kind of at night. Dino Thunder, power up, huh? And we got Trip. Oh, Trent. Trent from the White Ranger off the collection here. You can pick this up anywhere. I love it, man. This thing's a little messed up, but who cares, man? Trent's a great Ranger, guys. Off the part charts here. I have a lot of more Power Ranger toys from the Lightning collection. So, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Red Super Mega Force Red Ranger. Yeah, man. Action Heroes. Like Jason, very cool toy actually. You can get the whole collection going on with Mega Robo Knight, Tommy Oliver the Green Ranger, Dino Thunder, SPD, Ninja Storm, Samurai. It's so cool. Look at the backstory, man. It's very cool actually. It's the best toys that ever was out today, but well, I'll miss you, Tommy. This is Oliver Ranger from Zoo Ranger. No, Digimon, and it's so cool. But the White Ranger and the third one, very cool toy. Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Do check on the play. Um, for the Lightning collections, I have a bunch from the Lightning store collection. Um, who looks paint? See her. Time Force Ranger, Gary Out. West. Time Force. Yeah, I love the weapon. It's really cool. I love the things they put this toy on. But very cool actually. Action of the toy, very awesome. I gotta go. I'll be right back. Yeah, man. That's Power Ranger Zeo, Yellow Ranger Tanya. Man, that's very cool. If Tanya was a Ranger, she would always be the collection I ever had in my life. See this up close, but filming it, but man, Ranger see. Oh, then Red Ranger, Jetty Ranger, Rocky. I don't know why I like this toy so much. I lost the head scope years ago, and I loved it. And it's a very cool head scope. Cool and then Jetty Ranger in collection. It's awesome. Rocky. Um, we're gonna form Dino Thunder up. Don't worry. Those are the toys I really love. And uphill, um, Mighty Morphin Power Ranger Pink Ranger. Ooh, the weapon's awesome. Weapons, beautiful, man. And that's Kimberly. Does it look like Kimberly? Oh, you take your pick in the fourth collection. I don't know today. That is amazing toy. I love it, man. I think it's no doubt in my mind. Shout out to Zoo Ranger, the Pink Ranger I like. And shout out to her. She's very good actor. I don't know her name, but yeah. Thank you guys for listening live. I got much more Lightning Collection. Guys is very cool actually. Forming the three Rangers in history. I will be back at 9:30 with the third collection. Have a